Many people think that developing strong leaders just kind of happens by accident. Not true. It takes deliberate effort, encouragement, and inspiration to build strong leaders. Now, this particular program, we lay the foundation to equip you with everything you need to lead a strong team.
I am so thoroughly enjoying the Supervisor Skills Workshop. I've learned so much and been reminded of so many great things. It is a great teaching, a great reminder, and a great way to build extraordinary teams, and so glad to be here.
I'm here with Brian Williams' Skills Supervisor Seminar, and I couldn't say enough about how impactful this was and what it's taught me so far in just becoming a better supervisor, especially for a young leader. It's definitely something you don't want to miss.
And I just attended the Supervisor Skills Workshop, and I've learned so many amazing tools that I can bring back to my spa to apply to my management skills.
I learned so many amazing things from this workshop, particularly the conflict portion of it is really going to help me with my team.
I learned all kinds of awesome skills and tools that I can now take back with me and add to my leadership style in my spa.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Come to his next one.